Alright, and this is what my headlights look like now. Got a lot of oxidation and moisture in the inside. I'm gonna have to worry about the inside later. Right now I'm just trying to take care of the outside. It's all foggy and cloudy. But I'm gonna go ahead. Lemon juice, baking soda, apple cider vinegar. Mix it up until you get a nice thick paste. Alright. Gotta get the paste, like I told you, nice and thick, something like this. Well, it's not even thick as I want it to be, but good enough. You wanna get you something, some type of glass cleaner or water would even do, but I use glass cleaner. A little cloth. You could use a sponge, but I'm gonna use my Dremel with the buffer wheel on it. And basically what you want to do, I'm just gonna take the corner of this, dip it in this, rub it onto the light. As much as on there as possible, everywhere, go in circular motion. As you get it on there, as the air hits it, it's going to get hard. It's getting harder and harder, like it's not liquid anymore. It's coming to a hard, thick paste. That's what you want. A little bit more. Like that. Right down there for a second. And you come and you get the old Dremel tool, buffer wheel, or that's where you use your sponge. If you're going to use a sponge, wet it first. I only go like this. Still wet a little bit. Going circular motion. You see all I'm doing, get the top layer off. Yellow oxidation. Make sure nothing's coming through. Got most of it buffed off, wiped off with the sponge. Once you got most of it buffed off, wiped off with the sponge, that's when you want to use your water or your Windex or whatever you want to use. Give it a nice good spray. You might have to do this probably a couple times. Just wipe it now. Another spray. Wipe it now. But that should be it. I don't know if you can see the difference. That one and that one. So it's not 100% clear, but it's a whole lot clearer. Put a little clear coat on it. I take it apart and get rid of the moisture from the inside, but that's a whole other story. But as far as the outside goes, it's a whole lot better. Step back. A lot better than that. All right.